Straits State Park is home to 181 acres of recreation with views of the Mackinac Bridge and Straits of Mackinac. This location also makes the park a great home base to visit area attractions, including MacKinac Island. For visitors who plan to arrive on Mackinac Island by ferry boat, there are two companies that provide services: Shepler's Mackinac Island Ferry and the Star Line Mackinac Ferry Company. They offer ferry rides back and forth from the mainland every 30 minutes. We absolutely loved Mackinac Island's car-free roads full of horse-drawn carriages and bicycles. Joanne's fudge was highly recommended to us and voted the #1 on the island. And you know what? We have to agree, it was fabulous. But there's lots to try, so don't just stop at one. Try many of them. Lots of fudge shops. One of the best experiences to pedal the 8.2-mile ride around the outer rim of the island.
Buddy. Your first bike ride. Sort of. Your first bike ride, mister. Yay!
A visit to Michigan is not complete without cherry fudge ice cream. Thanks for watching.